How to sign up mobile banking on Santander app. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you can simply install the app from the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you need to search for Santander and then the app will be available right here. After searching for the Santander mobile banking app, just install the application right here. So how you can sign up for that is to follow the steps right here. Either you want to make a personal business or corporate online banking account is your choice. So either of it, what you need to do is you just need to follow the following informations. Tap your personal ID, your security number and your personal ID number, and after that just tap on the login option. But only if you have already made the account you can do that. But to sign up, what you can do that is on the right side you will see the option of sign up here. Just tap on the sign up option. Now you just need to follow and fill up all the information that it says you. So it says you, if you have, do you have your personal ID, then just need to continue and select all the informations and questions that it asks here. And doing the follow up, just add your number, your personal ID and tap the continue option. You need to verify your account by using the other IDs as well, and then you can update, and you can also use your password to enter it on your app as well. So you can do it either on your app or web browser as well, but the app would be better because the app is something you would always need. So that's what I would suggest you to do it. And if this video helped you, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment to the comment section below. Thank you for watching.